Italian scientists found that the juice of watermelon acts as natural Viagra, which helps to increase the libido in men who have mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. The watermelon has large amount of vitamin C and is composed of 92% water. It contains only 71 calories per serving and is the perfect food for people who want to lose weight and to those who struggle with impotence. Let's see how to prepare natural Viagra with 3 easily available ingredients: 1/4 fresh watermelon, 1 fresh lemon, 1 fresh pomegranate. Put all ingredients into blender and mix them well. Pour the mixture into a bottle and store it in the refrigerator. Drink 1/3 cup of the juice in the mornings on an empty stomach and do the same before dinner. This mixture is rich with natural ingredients that will improve your blood flow to the intimate part and will improve your performance. This homemade Viagra can be used by everyone, of any age and gender.